Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to share your portfolio in the Asana app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First, you have to open up the Asana app. And here it opens up in the home menu where we have our projects, portfolios, and goals. From here we have to go into portfolios and select the one that we want to share. Then we can just tap on the name of the portfolio, and under the name of the portfolio in this little pop-up there's a share button. If you tap on this, then the URL of the portfolio is going to be shown, and we can copy that and just send it to the people that we want to share our portfolio with. And yeah, I guess that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Be sure to check out the other Asana tutorials as well, because that way you can have a more complete experience of the app. That's pretty much so. Bye.